Alright, so hope you can see my screen. So basically what I have done, I have developed this application for PII masking, and this application is now running. This is a simple Gradue-based app just for the testing purposes, and this app is running right now here. Okay, so it has just two modes. The main idea is to detect the PII information in the query, mask the PII information, and only send a masking or a masked PII to the LLM. So there are two approaches to do that. One is, which is my favorite, is via NLP models. The other one is via Olama, which is basically using SLM based models on your maybe your CPU as well, and then to mask the API information. So, for example, if you want to go with Olama, so you just need to provide the URL. For example, right now I'm using Quinn 1.5 billion models. I can just try to see just the connection if that's working. Yes, it's working, and that's pretty straightforward because that's the LLM model is being used to detect the PI. So I'm not going to show this. For me, the main important thing is using NLP models, and the reason to use those NLP models are their speed. They are so fast, and they can give you a response in milliseconds. But there is the one problem, which is their training set. But okay, let's first try to see how the system works. So let me just write my name or a query which a user can input to a chatbot. For example, Mera naam Ahmed Ali hai. Okay. So this is a simple query a user may have asked from the system, and I will run my pipeline here and see what will happen. Okay. So the first thing you can see here is basically this is the raw customer query, which is Mera naam Ahmed Ali hai in Roman Urdu. And you can see the first gate which I have in my system actually detected Ahmed Ali as a person. So NER is detected Ahmed Ali as a name, and so it actually masks this information. So it is masked Ahmed Ali with a placeholder. Okay, and you can see here now it's Ahmed Ali. Ahmed Ali is not mentioned here. It's person 001, and the main interesting thing is this is how the information we will send to LLM. So you can see here there is no PII information is being sent to the LLM. So for LLM is just a placeholder, and actually LLM does not care about the name. It could be 007, or it could be Ahmad Ali, or it could be whatever. So for LLM is just a placeholder. So in this way, basically, we are sending or a mask information to LLMs, and our PII is basically is not being sent to the cloud or any LLM. So this is just a dummy response. Like once the LLM will respond back, I can simply reappend the information back to the system. For example, I can see, okay, I have reappended my name Ahmad Ali, and then a very dummy response. So this is just a dummy response. The other good thing about NLP models are this duration. You see, it actually took less than 1 second to respond. And I'm pretty sure even this is too much because this is the first time I run this model, right? So once this model is loaded into the cache, it will be even maybe somewhere around 100 or 200 milliseconds. So let's run the same request again. You see, now it actually took only 113 milliseconds, which is quite fast. So, so yeah, by using these NLP models, you can actually detect the PII, you can mask the PII and send the mask information to your LLMs. So let's try to add some more thing to my query. So मेरा नाम अहमद अली है और मेरा CNIC है, or maybe like this one. हम्म, और मुझे इस नंबर पे रब्ता कर. So let's see how the system behave on this message. Okay, good. So what happened? So the first of all, see, it's only took 251 milliseconds. Quite fast. Very nice. So this was the customer actual message, and the very first gate which I'm using is detected anomaly is anyhow it's a name, so it has masked this information. I have so in my use case I have to detect PII, for example, the customer name or the CNIC or the mobile number, or it could be a customer IBN or account number. So this test case I just did with the three PII information, and you see here the system actually detected the person, then the CNIC, and then the mobile name, mobile number. So it has masked all of these information. And if you can come here, so this is how the information will be sent to the LLM. Again, all the PII is masked, and a masked information is sent to your cloud or even your internal LLM, whatever you are using. So yeah, this is a short demonstration of PA masking. I will be adding the complete detail. What would be the caveats of using these NLPs? What are the challenges we have to do or we have to face? And what are the solutions to cover those challenges? So I'll be sharing all these details in my LinkedIn article. Thank you very much.